so nervous. Right here. I was really hoping for like a home run, you know. It's summer product season, and I'm here to tell you we are making all of the things, okay? I'm really pumped for my summer collection. It is called The Getaway. While it may seem cliche, I have come up with several products that are perfect for the summer season. I'm about it. I'm ready. I want the summery scents. I want all the things. I want the smooth skin, the nourishing lotion, all the things. And that's what I'm here to give you. We have a lot of things to make. Let's dive in. I'm so excited. And we're making is Bikini Sands bar soap. Are we going, we're going George Washington, aren't we? Definitely a George Washington moment. Moment of truth time. It's been 2 days since we poured this and it's feeling pretty good. I'm a little nervous. It didn't exactly turn out how I thought. I was going for like a sun beach moment and it looks a little more Lisa Frank. Now, if you watched, sorry, I'm trying to like do this without moving my camera too much. I don't have much time. I promised the kids we could go get on the trampoline and my brother is on the way over. He challenged my son in trampoline basketball. So I only have a few minutes. But if you watched this 7 common soap making problems and how to fix them, in that video, I talked about soap cracks on the top of your bar, but I couldn't find an example of it. This soap did that. So let me show you. Right here. Luckily, there it is. Luckily, it's really hidden well in this top design that I'll probably shave down a little bit. It didn't turn out exactly how I was hoping. It's way brighter than I was expecting, and the pour didn't go as well as I was hoping to. So let's get it out of here. Let's cut it open and see if the inside looks as good as I hope it does. So again, not exactly what I was expecting, but I also don't think it's terrible, if that makes sense. The scent did change quite a bit, and not in a good way, which is disappointing. I was really hoping that this would be like a great summer fragrance. It smells good still. It just doesn't smell how it smells in the bottle, and how the lotion that I made smells. But it's still nice. So there is product number 1. We have a lot of things to still do. I'm going to set these soaps on the shelf to cure. And that's probably going to be it for tonight. But let me show you really quick. Put the camera back down. Every time I put my camera down, like it stops focusing on me. I don't know why. It's the moment of truth. Last week, I placed an order for custom labels, spent over $200 to have them. I'm really super nervous because I've not done this before. I've always print my own labels, but as I'm going through this process of kind of trying to like make things like nicer with my brand, I decided to just try it and see what I thought. So it is here. I ordered them from Online Labels. I get all of my blank ones that I print myself. I get all of them from Online Labels, so I thought that this would be, you know, I'm like comfortable with their design program. I know their sizes more, you know, so it wasn't that big of a leap, but it was over $200. I'm super nervous. Okay. Oh, and it was super fast. I think I ordered them on Wednesday, maybe even Thursday. I can't remember, but they are here. So these are all of the SKUs right here. I'm so nervous. All right, first up, I'm just pulling a blind out of there. Ooh. I had a feeling. Okay. Let me show you. So this first one is for the whipped sugar scrub. It just kind of looks like I printed it myself, if I'm being honest. Okay, let me check another one. The lotion ones definitely look better. Here's a lotion one. Definitely look more what I was going for. I don't really know what to say, guys. I wanted the labels to look like more professional than they do when I print them myself. And these look like I printed them myself. It's a little bit disappointing, if I'm being honest. I was really hoping for like a home run, you know. I don't know. All right, well, that was definitely not what I was looking for today. I was really looking forward to this. But the show will go on. Like I said, I've always had really great experiences with Online Labels. I did follow like all of their steps. So hopefully when I reach out, they'll be able to give me some like better guidance. And yeah, I guess I'm going to go ahead. I guess I'm going to go ahead and make some lotions and go from there. I totally forgot about this package. I don't even know what's in here. But seems like I should probably open it. It's probably not even, it's probably something random for like my husband or something. All right. Oh, it's bath molds. I totally forgot that I ordered these. I ordered new bath bomb molds because I wanted to get stainless steel ones and not metal ones. So those typical ones that you might get are great. There is nothing wrong with them, but I have noticed like the way that I use them and how I tap them with a spoon to get the bath bomb out of the mold causes dents in the mold itself, which then transfer over to a bath bomb when you make it. And then your bath bombs have like dents all over them. So I ordered these stainless steel ones and I'm hoping that it will be, I'm hoping that won't happen. So we'll find out. I don't know, we'll find out. Oh, look, and it came with free. These are super cute. So it came with 3 little sizes there. All right, so this will be my main one, I think. Yeah, that'll definitely be my main one. And then maybe we do some minis or something like that. Oh, car diffusers, empty car diffusers. I'm not gonna open them right now. I'm not gonna open them right now, but it's not gonna focus. But this is what the car diffuser looks like. Now, hopefully my black gloves aren't off-putting to you. I ran out of the normal gloves that I use, so I had to borrow some of my husband's garage gloves. Let's go ahead and bottle up our body lotion. No, I don't have a fancy machine. I do it the old-fashioned way. Will I ever get one of those pumping machines? Probably not, if I had to guess. I don't know. We're gonna see how well body lotion does over the summer and then decide if we keep body lotion as our moisturizing product or if we go back to body butter in the winter. I'm not sure what we're gonna do yet. We just kind of have to wait and see. That went well. Yeah, I couldn't have asked for that to go any smoother. And usually as soon as I turn the camera on, that's when like the bag starts to explode or like something weird. So that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and start the soaps. I don't know why I took my gloves off. It started pouring down rain. I am gonna do my best to continue to film, but if it becomes like too much, like please don't hate me for turning the camera off to finish those soaps. I'm very nervous. I've never tried either one of these swirls before. Wish me luck.